Good morning students, I am Mrs. Ruby Jagan, class teacher of 5A2. I am going to handle science for class 5. The first lesson you are going to learn is organ systems. After completing this lesson, students will be able to learn three things. Number one, know about different organ systems of human body. Number two, identify different organs. Number three, understand the functions of different organs. Let me give an introduction about the organ system. We get energy for our daily activities from the food we eat. How is the food converted into energy? It is through the process called digestion. After we eat the food, waste products are removed from the body. The process involved in this is called excretion. We need oxygen to survive. Our body gets oxygen through the process called respiration. These processes are carried out by different organs in our body. Different organs form the organ systems. In this lesson, we will study about different organ systems in our body and their functions. First, we are going to learn about digestive system. The food we eat consists of complex compounds like carbohydrates, proteins and fats. They have to be converted into simpler molecules like glucose, amino acids, fatty acids and glycerol, respectively. These simpler molecules are then assimilated either by blood or lymph in order to give us energy. The process of conversion of complex food molecules into simpler molecules is called digestion. The digestive system can be divided into two. Number one, digestive tract. Number two, digestive glands. Digestive tract. It is also known as alimentary canal. It is a coiled muscular tube extending from the mouth to the anus. It is about 6 to 9 meters long and consists of many specialized divisions. Arranged sequentially, these are mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. There are some organisms which live in the digestive systems of animals. For example, tapeworm lives in the human intestine. Digestive glands. Three important digestive glands associated with the process of digestion are salivary glands, pancreas, liver. Salivary glands secrete saliva which moistens food. Saliva contains enzymes which break down complex starch into simple carbohydrate molecules. Pancreas produces pancreatic juice which contains digestive enzymes for digesting fats, proteins and carbohydrates. Liver produces bile juice for the digestion of fat. The three pairs of salivary glands, parotid, sublingual and submandibular gland, secrete approximately 1.5 liters of saliva every day. In the organ system, next we are going to learn about respiratory system. The respiratory system provides oxygen to the tissues of the body and removes carbon dioxide from the tissues. There are three major parts forming the respiratory system: airway, lungs, muscles of respiration. Airway. The airway includes the nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi and lungs. It carries air between the lungs and the surrounding. The lungs. The lungs are the primary organs of the respiratory system. They are paired, cone-shaped organs. They are located near the backbone on both sides of the heart. Muscles of respiration. Muscles of respiration include diaphragm and intercostal muscles. They act as pump and push the air into and out of the lungs during breathing. Air pollution causes many respiratory diseases. Smoking can cause lung cancer. Next, we are going to see about circulatory system. In this system, blood is circulated to transport oxygen and nutrients to every part of the body. Circulatory system consists of the following: heart, blood vessels. Heart. The heart is a hollow muscular organ. It is somewhat conical in shape. It is covered with double-walled membrane called pericardium. The space between the membranes is filled with pericardial fluid. The pericardial fluid protects the heart from shock. Heart is placed inside the thoracic chamber, that is rib cage, in between the two lungs. Blood. Blood transports nutrients, oxygen, waste and hormones. The volume of blood in human adults is 4 to 5 liters. It regulates water level and the body temperature. Blood is pumped throughout the body by the heart. It takes oxygen to tissues and cells and finally reaches the lungs to take oxygen again. Blood vessels. Blood vessels consist of arteries and veins. Arteries carry oxygenated blood and veins carry deoxygenated blood. There are some animals like lobsters and crabs that have blue blood. Cockroach has colorless or white blood. Next, we are going to learn about excretory system. Excretory system removes the waste products from the body. It also regulates water and electrolyte balance. Kidneys, lungs, liver and skin together function as excretory organs. Excretory system consists of the following: kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder. Kidneys. The kidneys filter the blood, remove waste and produce urine. The kidneys are a pair of dark red bean-shaped organs placed behind the abdomen on either side of the vertebral column. Ureters. Two ureters connect the kidneys with the urinary bladder. Urine formed from each kidney reaches urinary bladder through ureters. Urinary bladder. It is sac-like in shape and acts as a temporary storage organ of urine. Urine entering the urinary bladder from the ureters slowly fill the hollow space inside the bladder. Urine is expelled from the body through the urethra. Next, we are going to learn about nervous system. Nervous system is an integration of nerves and specialized cells called neurons. The human nervous system is divided into the following: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system. Central nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. Human brain is divided into three major parts: forebrain, that is cerebrum; midbrain, that is cerebellum; hindbrain, that is medulla oblongata. Spinal cord. Spinal cord is a long tube-like structure which extends from the brain. It lies within the backbone of our body. Peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system consists of nerves extending from the spinal cord to all parts of the body. Somatic nervous system, autonomous nervous system. Dear children, in this lesson You have learned about organ systems like digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system and nervous system. Thank you, students.